Pittsburgh 24-inch clamp and cut edge guide. And Pittsburgh 50-inch clamp and cut edge guide. Got a sheet of plywood. I want to cut 2 feet off the end of it. So the first thing I'll do is mark 2 feet. The edge guide I've had for about 20 years. I could use tape measure since I'm doing this in inches. Okay, so now I have a mark at 24 inches. I'm going to get my skill saw and figure out the distance from where the blade cuts from the edge of this. There's a couple of things you need to do to get this ready. First off, this is the release. So squeeze, pull it to the end. This one stays stationary, and this is what provides the clamping force to hold it. So, push this side in. It's kind of hard to see a set distance from that line, so I'm going to remark it. The straight edge there. Distance from the line to the edge of the saw. Mark that. Now I can take this and put it right on that line. And clamp it. Go. I've used this many times, and I know that if you put too much force on this, it will slide a little. You really gotta wanna do woodworking today. It's 95 with 54% humidity, which brings the feel like temperature to about 102. So let's get the cut. I had a 40-tooth blade in that saw. I should have put something with more teeth. There you go. The setup is the hard part of this. Getting it right, getting the cut where you want it to be. So if I want to cut this in 2, which is 24 inches, I know that the distance from the blade to the saw is 1.5 inches. So I'll go 25.5. Mark this. Same thing, pull this back, squeeze this and this. On the top, push it in. Lock it. So now I should be able to cut that. I'm just rough cutting these. Even though my table saw is big enough to take a sheet of plywood, I don't have the room around the table saw to do a sheet of plywood. So I bring it out here, rough cut it, take it in on the table saw, square it up, make it look good. So it goes on and off pretty easy. This one only does about 24. section of the 50 inch so that you can do a 48 inch easily. 24 inch you can only go a little bit above 24. I think this one was $14.95 and this one was $9.95 with a coupon at some point in time. So extremely hot today, but that's how easy these are to use. And for rough cuts, I use these all the time just to get a big piece of wood cut down so I can get it on the table saw to square it up, use it on a project. Valuable tool to have around when you're cutting up a panel. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.